Are you ready to discover the most powerful, accurate, and game-changing hunting bows of 2025? From beginner-friendly classics to cutting-edge compound and crossbows, we've tested, compared, and ranked the top 10 bows that truly dominate the field this year. Whether you're a weekend archer or a seasoned hunter, this list has something for everyone. Stick around till the end because the #1 pick might just change how you think about hunting forever. Let's jump right in. Starting off strong, the TOPOINT Archery M2 Junior is a perfect entry-level bow designed for young archers and absolute beginners. Weighing just over 2.5 pounds with a draw weight range of 10 to 40 pounds, this compact bow makes learning the basics fun, safe, and frustration-free. Its aluminum riser provides solid durability, while keeping the overall frame light enough for smaller arms. Adjustable draw length from 17 to 27 inches ensures it can grow with the shooter. Despite being a junior model, the M2 offers surprisingly tight grouping at 20 yards and a crisp, forgiving release excellent for backyard practice or small game hunting. At 9, the Toparchery Takedown Recurve Bow perfectly bridges traditional craftsmanship with modern versatility. Its laminated maple and fiberglass limbs give a strong yet flexible feel, storing powerful energy for a smooth and consistent shot every time. The takedown design lets you easily remove the limbs for transport or future upgrades, a big plus for hunters or archers on the go. It uses a 16-strand Dacron bowstring, known for long-lasting durability and steady performance. Even without built-in dampeners, its balanced limb structure keeps shots impressively quiet and vibration-free. With draw weights from 30 to 50 pounds and an overall bow length of 60 inches, this recurve fits nearly every skill level from first-time shooters to experienced hunters looking for that instinctive, pure shooting experience. For those drawn to heritage craftsmanship, the Sanlita Royal X8 longbow at number 8 delivers that nostalgic, traditional feel. Measuring 68 inches, this bow is handcrafted from American red oak and fiberglass, combining classic looks with reliable modern strength. Its ergonomic riser ensures a comfortable grip and smooth draw from start to anchor. Longbows naturally offer whisper quiet shots perfect for stealthy hunters in dense forests. The Royal X8 comes as a full kit: string, arrows, bow bag, and rest. While it doesn't reach the speeds of a compound, it rewards good form with buttery, smooth accuracy and unmatched elegance. At number 7, the Lanaret P2 stands out for its lightweight design and adjustability. Built with a sturdy aluminum riser and fiberglass limbs, it weighs just about 2.4 pounds, making it super easy to carry and handle. The draw weight adjusts from 10 to 50 pounds, and the draw length ranges from 22.5 to 30 inches, so it suits both beginners and growing archers. Its smooth dual cam system offers up to 75% let off, helping you hold steady on target with less effort. This bow arrives as a ready-to-shoot package, including a fiber optic sight, arrow rest, arm guard, release aid, and carbon arrows, everything you need to get started. Quiet, balanced, and dependable, the P2 is a great mid-level upgrade for anyone stepping up from a basic bow. At number 6 is the Bear Archery Royale, a legendary name in American archery. Capable of firing arrows at 290 feet per second, it's impressively smooth and quiet. Its draw weight spans 5 to 50 pounds, so it suits young shooters and adults alike. The 75% let off allows easy aim at full draw. The Royale includes everything Whisker Biscuit rest, 3-pin sight, quiver, stabilizer, and knock loop. No extra purchases needed. Hunters praise its balance of speed and comfort. It's accurate enough for whitetail hunting and forgiving enough for practice sessions. Mid-list, the Genesis Original remains one of the most popular training bows ever made. It's officially approved for NASP, National Archery in Schools Program, meaning it's safe, durable, and extremely versatile. The single cam design eliminates tuning hassles and recoil. There's no set draw length, any shooter can pick it up and shoot comfortably. That's a game changer for families sharing one bow or clubs training new archers. Its lightweight aluminum construction and consistent accuracy make it a perfect platform for transitioning from practice to light hunting. The Sanlita Dragon X7 roars in at number 4, an impressive mix of affordability and performance. Capable of 300 frames per second, it's fast enough for mid to large game hunting. Constructed from CNC. Machined aluminum with fiberglass limbs, it's strong yet manageable at 3.8 pounds. The kit includes a 5-pin sight, stabilizer, arrow rest, wrist sling, quiver, and 12 carbon arrows. No bow press needed for adjustments, everything is field-friendly. Shooters love its stability and consistent arrow flight. Whether you're a hunter on a budget or a target shooter who values precision, the Dragon X7 won't disappoint. In the bronze position, the PANDARUS P3 is a speed monster, pushing arrows up to 320 frames per second. Its machined aluminum riser, dual cam system, and 70% let-off create a smooth, controlled shot that feels professional right out of the box. The P3 is designed to be tool-less for most adjustments, a huge plus in the field. Included accessories like a 3-pin sight, peep, and 12 carbon arrows make it an unbeatable starter to pro transition bow. Accuracy at 40 yards is impressive, with consistent grouping and minimal vibration. Taking second place, the Diamond Edge Max is a hunter's dream. Its binary cam system synchronizes perfectly for laser straight arrow flight and repeatable accuracy. With an adjustable draw weight from 20 to 70 pounds and draw length from 16 to 31 inches, this bow truly fits everyone. The aluminum riser offers a solid grip with minimal torque, and its up to 315 feet per second speed provides more than enough punch for big game hunts. Everything is included: 3-pin sight, 4-arrow quiver, stabilizer, and wrist sling, making it nearly a pro-level setup straight out of the box. And finally, the Ravin R10 crossbow claims the top spot, and for good reason. This beast brings rifle-level accuracy to bow hunting. The R10 fires bolts at 400 feet per second, delivering over 140 foot-pounds of kinetic energy. Its helicoil technology keeps cams perfectly balanced, while the frictionless flight system eliminates string contact with the rail, boosting speed and string life. The Versa Draw cocking mechanism requires just 12 pounds of force, so anyone can cock it safely and consistently. At only 6.8 inches axle to axle when cocked, it's incredibly compact, perfect for tree stands or tight blinds. It comes fully assembled with illuminated scope, bolts, quiver, and cocking handle, literally ready to hunt straight from the box. And there you have it, the top 10 bows for hunters in 2025. From classic longbows to next-gen crossbows, each one offers a different edge for your next hunt. Remember, the best bow isn't just about power or price. It's about fit, comfort, and confidence in every shot. If you found your next bow in this list, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming deep dives into hunting gear, survival tools, and outdoor tech right here on WildXGear. Because when it comes to gear that truly hits the mark, we help you aim higher.